Hey guys, make a quick video on a quick fix for this Milwaukee 2792-20 job site radio charger. And I bought this thing used about 2 years ago. And a common issue that these things have is with this power knob. You can turn it on, and sometimes you can't even get it to turn on. Mine turns on and off fine, but it shouldn't be that quiet all the way up. You should be able to hear that. Oops. And I've noticed it'll cut in and cut out.
Being a real estate agent isn't about listing houses.
So there's some kind of issue here with this board behind this, and I tried taking this cover off and seeing if I could see if the plate was loose. But a quick fix of this is to take a screwdriver, set your volume where you want it. If you're playing with Bluetooth, just turn this all the way up and then adjust it with your phone. But if you're on the radio, pick where you want the volume and then shove a screwdriver in there.
Like when Jeff's old car insurance got so expensive that he couldn't afford to drive anymore. You think he started begging for
It's a lot better than paying $250 for a new one. And they don't sell parts for this. I don't think you can buy another board separately. So hopefully that helps you. At least you can now use your $200 job site radio. And yeah, hope it helps.